Okay, hello superstar. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fund your accounts on CapitalXtend. So once you've logged in, please take note, this is your CapitalXtend ID and this is your partner ID. If you don't have a partner ID yet, you come here and you click on become a partner to generate a partner ID. So you could have a partner panel where you could be earning commission from your family and friends. So quickly, let me go to the crux of the matter today, how to fund your account. You just click on the menu. That's these three lines here. That's for menu. Then you click on fund. Then you click on deposit fund. So you can actually do withdrawal or you can do instant internal transfer from one wallet to another wallet. Okay, good. Now when you click on deposit fund, sorry, my network. Okay, good. So when you click on deposit fund, now this is my main wallet. Now you can leave money here. It is called hedging. So instead of leaving 1 million, 2 million, 10 million in Naira account, it's better you convert it to dollars in your brokerage account. That way, even if Naira crashes or anything happens to Naira, your money will remain intact. Anytime you want to withdraw, you will withdraw at the current rate. For example, as at last year, $1,000 is 600,000 Naira. Okay, so if you have deposited 600,000 Naira last year, now if you want to withdraw now, you'll be withdrawing 1.6 million. But people who have left their money in Naira, they will get the same 600,000 Naira in Naira. So very, very important that you save your money in dollars. Okay, very, very important. Very, very important. So now there are many methods to fund your accounts. We have the BTC, that's Bitcoin. We have the USDT, which is stable coin. We have the TRC20, the ERC20, LTC. So if you're not paying with cryptocurrency, then you can go for the other option. Now, I recommend these two options, credit card or banking. Okay, I think credit card is when you want to use your ATM card. Okay, and there are two options here. You can use KoraPay cards and virtual pay. Okay, but now I want to walk you through the option of transfer. So click on banking and then choose KoraPay Bank. Okay, KoraPay Bank. Good. So when you choose KoraPay Bank, it's gonna load. Okay, the network is a bit poor. Okay, so now the option has come up. So you enter the amount, let's say $100. Now you're paying in Naira 160,000. Okay, good. Then you click on proceed. Okay, so what you need to do next is to accept the terms and conditions. Then you click on continue. Awesome. Now this is the bank account that has been generated for you. Please don't save this account number. It is transactional. Okay, you have maximum 1 hour to make this payment. Okay, after 60 minutes you don't make payment, it's going to discard the transaction. So please send the money as soon as possible to the account that is generated for you. Don't use this account. Please take note, you're going to have a unique account, a Wema bank account. This is the account number and the account name is going to be KPYCAP. Okay, all right, so thank you very much. Till I come your way again, bye for now.